Hi, welcome back to my vlog, Piece of Life. And if you are new here, hello. And if you're coming back, thank you so much. If you like my video and you like unboxings or just kind of new items that I'm loving right now, please take a moment to subscribe or hit the like button or leave a comment if you have any questions. So I'm gonna do an unboxing. I feel like I hardly ever see unboxings anymore, and I know some people think they're annoying, but I like them because I don't see them all the time. And I don't typically buy things from like designer websites, so this is kind of fun. This is from Moda Operandi. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So it's like a designer website. It's kind of comparable to My Teresa and Net-a-Porter, like Match Fashion. Okay, so if you clicked on the video, you clicked on it because you wanted to see these sunglasses. Now, I've been wanting these sunglasses since last year. So, okay, I will admit, I love Kendall Jenner's style. I think she has really cool style. It's simple, casual, classic. And she had a pair of sunglasses. They're called the Velvet Canyon sunglasses. And I think this style is called BISOU, which I can confirm for you. So my birthday was up recently. So I was like, you know, I'm gonna treat myself. And yes, there's a lot of like knockoff glasses that look comparable to these. And if you're looking for something more affordable, I did see a YouTuber recently and she had a pair on and I thought they were the Velvet Canyon, but she said they were actually from ASOS. So that's something to think about. But I think it's nice to invest in a good pair of sunglasses. So here it is, unboxing. And I mean, bougie, hello. Like, I just love how, you know, nice places, how like the lilac tissue paper, which I will be keeping. And then they have their like little logo, Moda Operandi. I think it's a London, yeah, it looks like it's a London-based website. Yes, because I think I did have to pay duty? I think I had to pay an extra shipping, like maybe, I don't know, maybe I didn't. I can't remember. Okay, so here's the box that comes in. Oh, have you one of those really annoying people that hold their hands up? I'm not gonna do that. But it says Velvet Canyon on the box. Then again, you get your little bougie receipt, everything in here. Which, you know what the funny thing is? I never used to keep all this stuff. And my friend is really good about doing that because she tends to buy like a lot of designer handbags and things. But if you ever want to resell stuff, it's nice to keep like the boxes and the receipts, which I don't typically do, but you know, you never know if you want to resell something. I mean, why not? Okay, so these are the Velvet Canyon sunglasses. I'll try to put a picture in on maybe the thumbnail of Kendall wearing them. So these are the sunglasses she has worn. I mean, I really think she likes these sunglasses because she wears them all the time. She has been wearing these since last year. Like, if you Google Kendall Jenner's black sunglasses, she wears them all the time up until just recently, summer 2020. She's still wearing these. She was just in Milan a couple days ago. She had these on. So, I mean, that's just a testament to like, they're great sunglasses and I love the style. So they come in this really cute cream box. Sorry if the lighting's a little bright. And then the sun case glass is cute too. It's like cream. It says Velvet Canyon. Now, I typically wear, if you know me here, I love mini bags, so this probably wouldn't fit in it. I would probably put it in a smaller little soft pouch bag, but this is cute just because it's cream and it's just different. Again, I know you can't really see it, but embossed it says Velvet Canyon, but you don't probably care about that. You just want to see how they look. Again, this is so cute, like the price tag, it's like, look at that, lilac. They retailed, I want to say, under 200. And then, again, birthday gift. I would not typically spend this much money on sunglasses. They do say Velvet Canyon there, and they're so cute. Like, literally, you guys, I have been wanting these since last year, probably a year and a half. And I finally took the plunge, but let me tell you this, they have been out of stock forever. So probably the beginning of summer, I was like, oh, I'll just buy them. You know, I'm gonna take the plunge, my birthday's coming up. And they were out of stock on the website, Moda Operandi. They said pre-order. Then I went to the actual website, Velvet Canyon. It said on pre-order. So these have been out of stock forever. So get your hands on them if you want them. I think they're so dope. I love them because they're just classic, they're cool. Like, I feel like sunglasses just kind of make your outfit look, it just steps up your vibe, right? It's like a vibe. It's like I have my sunglasses on, just easy breezy, not a lot of logos. I did recently see a pair of Balenciagas that were really cool, but they had a gold, like really blatant, like gold Balenciaga. I just thought it was too much. These I feel like I'll have for a long time. I mean, in the fall with a chunky sweater and like leather jeans, just like you can wear them if you're, you know, in a dressier outfit and you're going out, you can dress them down casual. I just think they're so cool. They look really cute with my hair down. I'll try to post another picture. I took a picture this weekend in an outfit and I had these on and it looks, I don't know, I just think these are so cute and I've already gotten tons of compliments on them. I think they would fit any face shape. I just think they're great because they're really solid. I mean, you can tell the difference in glasses that are more expensive. I mean, they're really a solid, thick frame. They're just really cute. Again, just says Velvet Canyon, really easy. If you want them, really, I'd say jump on them because like they have been out of stock for so long and they just got back in stock again. I mean, look how hot these are, right? It's a vibe. Like if you saw, it's cute, right? So like today I'm just wearing, so this t-shirt I'm wearing is from Zara. It was a gift for my birthday. It has shoulder pads. Obviously, I did not go to Harvard, but I don't even wish I went to Harvard. I didn't go to Harvard. Okay, but this shirt is really cute. And then I'm just wearing it paired back with, these are just my Levi wedgie, I think these are the Levi wedgie jeans. And I just have my Louis Vuitton Palm Spring backpack. And I just got these little charms. My friend got me a couple of these for my birthday. So I want to talk more about these because she got me some really cool ones. And it's, look how much easier it is to unzip. I never even knew about these. I'm not that cool, but look how cute these are. So this is like a cool vibe just to run some errands, easy breezy. I just love these sunglasses. I think they're just so cool. I think they're so chic. And then another item I got for my birthday are these shoes. I will tell you more about them. Everybody's been wearing the Chanel dad sandals. They are so expensive. Definitely not in my budget. I'm gonna take my sunglasses on because I feel like we're not connecting. You need to look me in the eyes when I talk to you about fashion because I love it so much. But these are really cute. These are a London-based brand, which I'm gonna do another vlog, but they're so cute. So if you don't wanna spend the money, I don't wanna say waste. If you can afford the Chanel, amen. I always say, never say you can't afford something, say how can I afford it? So if you want the Chanel sunglasses, oh my.